Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna to show you how to make enemies timetable. You can see here when I started this game, then both enemies are coming suddenly. So let's see how can we make enemies timetable. Okay, so let's start the video. I'm gonna to create two more enemies. One enemy will come after 3 minutes and another enemy will come and stay on the screen. Okay, so let's make two more enemies. Click on the add new object and click on sprite and type here enemy 3. Enemy 3 and click on add an animation, edit with p-scale and make here best enemy design. Friends, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my new video notification. Okay, now click on save and click on loop. Now preview this. Click on apply. Now make one more enemy. Click on add a new object, sprite, and it will be enemy 4. And click on add an animation, edit with p-scale. And change its size. Its width will be 100 and the height will be 100. And click on resize. Okay, select the circle and click on loop, preview this one. Then click on OK, apply. Now go to events. Now make here one group for recognize the enemies. Okay, click here to make a group and click on group and type here group's name, enemies. Okay, and now copy this one and paste it. Click on add a new event and move this here. Add a condition, other conditions, and click here timers and time, and type here time for enemies. I'm gonna to type 3 seconds and type here timer's name. Then click on OK. And now move this enemy to under this enemy time. Okay, here, and change this one. It will be enemy 3. And type here timer's name, enemy 3. And here also enemy 3. And now copy this one and paste it. And change this one. It will be enemy 3. And change this one also. After 1 second, enemy will create. Okay. And change this one also, enemy 2. After 5 seconds, enemy 2 will create. Okay, and change this one also. And after 10 seconds, enemy 3 will start creating in 0.9 seconds. Okay, and now copy this one and paste it. And change this one. It will be enemy 4 timetable. And change this one. Enemy 4. Okay. Now change these seconds. After 20 seconds, enemy 4 will start creating in 1 second. Okay, and now copy this one and paste it, and change this one. It will be enemy 4. Okay, And now make a condition for enemy 4. Okay, click on add condition, select enemy 4 and select this one, number of objects equal to, it will be 4. That means 4 enemies will create. Click on OK. Now go to level 1 and go to groups, select this one group and select here enemy 3 and enemy 4, then click on apply. And now go to events and click here add a new event, add a condition and select this one groups, collision. When enemy group will collision with bullet, click on OK, add action, then enemy group will delete an object. Okay, add action and click on bullet and delete an object. Okay, and now make one more condition, add a new event, add a condition. When enemy group will collision with player, then player will be blink. Okay, add action, player and click here blink and type here 2 seconds. Okay, click on OK. Now let's preview it. You can see here in first red enemy is coming and after 5 seconds green enemy is coming. Okay, and after 10 seconds enemy 3 is coming and after 20 seconds enemy 4 is coming. I made a mistake for enemy 4. Okay, so change this one, enemy 4. Okay, now let's preview it. Click on preview button. Here you can see in first red enemy is coming and after 5 seconds enemy 2 will come and after 10 seconds enemy 3 will come and after 20 seconds enemy 4 will come. Okay, you can see it. So that's all for today. Friends, if you haven't watched my previous video, then click on I button and watch them. And that's all for today. I wish you like this video and subscribe our channel. If you have any type of question, then comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.